the closing stages. I've got all the components. I've got the hard drive. I've connected the hard drive, DVD player, CD player, my graphics card. So I'm just installing Windows 10 into this new build. So far so good. There doesn't seem to be any problem. I had a little bit of difficulty with the board because of the way it's like designed. It was really hard for me to get into the corners because I had to connect it. I had to connect my CPU to the motherboard, but I had to take it out and fit it into the corner because of these lights. But to me, I really like Gigabyte boards, and there's no regrets about buying this particular board. I'm very pleased with it, and also the CPU is running at 36 centigrade, and that is good. So the feeling the top of the computer, it feels there's the actual computer there. That's the case that the computer is going. Excuse the floor. This is my workroom. So that is the computer there down there at the bottom, and this is the screen. I've just installed Windows 10, and everything seems to be running smoothly. So I'll just stop the camera and I will restart when we get into the operating system, and I'll show you the specs of the PC. Thank you for watching. So Lord Series back here. Now as I say, after all this time, after about 2 hours, I've completed my build. This is my new. This is going to be my main PC that I'm going to be using for my YouTube channel. So let's zoom in. So this is the specs of the computer. The computer is a i7 8700K 6-core. It's got 24 gigabytes of DDR4. It's got a 2 TB hard drive. Yeah, this is my build, and as I say, it's running very well. I'm very pleased. So let me just go show you the device manager. Excuse me, let me just put this on my table. So this is the device manager for the computer. See? RX 480 graphics. It's got a Realtek in there. Pioneer Blu-ray drive. So let me just zoom in a bit. So, you know, as I say, I've been doing this now for over 10 years. I've been building computers for 10 years, and you know, when you build your own computer, you always know what you put into it, because I used to take my computer to see a man, and he tried to jip me, he tried to con me, he tried to skimp on the parts. So I made a vow to myself that I would always build my own computers from now on. And as I say, it's got Creative Lab Sound Blaster in there. So it's Windows 10. Look, there it is, 8700K, 8 core. So I'm really pleased with this. Look at, and this is very, very quick. All I have to do now is just insert. I just have to install my work. I have to install my PowerDirect, my Cyberlink PowerDirect. I have to install my Ableton Live, because as you know, I'm a musician, and I have to install a few other programs and maybe the odd game. This is my my second channel, Lord Serious, which I'm going to be doing my music on. So this is my other channel here. So I have a Butchers there. That's my other channel, and everything seems to be working very well. The computer is running really well. It's running very quickly. Wonderful. Just have a little look at some of the. Now it's really fast, this computer. So you look how quickly it is, how quickly and also I'm very surprised how fast it goes into the Windows 10. It's less than 10 seconds. So when I switch on my computer, that's how quick the computer installs. Let me just show you a minute. So I'm going to switch. Let me just switch this computer off. Let's restart quickly. So that's the power. So let's restart. Let me show you how fast this PC is. This computer is it's quick. It's very, very, very fast. And you also, coupled with the 24 gigabyte of DDR4, that's gonna add even more speed. So this is me restarting the PC. This is 8700K. Come on. So look how quickly it goes into Windows. Look at the speed of this PC. You know, you don't spend this money, the amount of money. I spent about £500 for no reason. You spend the money for the speed. You want a computer to be quick, to be like Usain Bolt. Look how long it takes to go into the operating system. Look at the speed. Come on, you was faster before. Don't know what he's waiting. Yeah, see? See? Lord Serious, see? See how quickly it is? It takes. Look, we're in the operating system. Look, and I can immediately work. Look, I can work immediately. See? Boom. In. Look, there. Set as default, look. See how quickly, look. Immediately I can go in there. Let me look at Millie Jackson. See? See? See how quickly it takes to, you know, that's why you spend the money you spend for the speed. So I'm gonna sign out, and I'm just saying to you, I'm really pleased with this computer, and I'm gonna be probably using this PC for about 4 years. So it has the power that I need to do my work. And look, stay tuned for more videos from me. I have my computer now. I'm able to do some videos, and I'm gonna be using this new PC to render this video that I am recording now. So Lord Serious out. Have a very good morning, evening and night, and I am really chuffed at my new computer. Okay, bye bye.